So now we're going to have a look at how to get this program, which is flashing this LED in the simulator, into this microcontroller with this LED here. And to do that, we're going to Control A, Control C, all of this code, and we're going to open up HTML Studio. Now, HTML Studio is a program from HTML. It allows you to write programs and debug them and do all sorts of interesting things and put them into your microcontroller. Slowly opening up in the background here. This code is almost ready to program straight into the microcontroller. Right, now when this opens, if your board is connected to your computer, then this page will open and tell you that everything's connected. We're going to create a new project. And I've already got a folder called Explain It To Me. I like to keep all my stuff nicely organized. And I'm going to call this Hello World. Normally we'll come up with this C executable project here. We do not need this extra set of directories created for us. That will go into its own unique directory. And then it's going to want to know what sort of microcontroller. You can choose the one you want. It's an 8-bit and look down the list. Or you can just type in here 328P, and that's the only thing that's got a 328P in it from HTML at the moment. So you can choose that. And down here it's creating the project. There we go, it's creating a C file, helloworld.c, and here's a blank file. It's got our main program in it. We're going to delete all of that and just paste into it our program at the moment. Now there's just one little thing here we need to do at the moment, and that is uncomment this IO line. If in the simulator in the future that's still commented, you'll need to uncomment that. And then it's going to create this program. Now this program's in a C language, and that's a high level language, human readable type language. However, it's not the sort of language that microcontrollers themselves understand. They understand numbers, binary hexadecimal numbers in machine code. So the first thing you have to do is build it. That's F7. So F7. And if there's any build problems, they'll appear here, but there aren't any at the moment. Nice and straightforward. And then we've got to program it. Now it's created build. It has created the machine code. Now we have to program it into the microcontroller. So here's our tools, device programming. And if you don't see this, just choose your board here and then apply it, and it should all pop up, and you should be able to read the device. There we go. We've read the device signature. And then we can go down here to memories, and we're going to go through a little 3-stage programming process where it erases the device first, then it programs your new code into the microcontroller, and then it verifies it. So verifying means it reads back what's in the microcontroller and sees if it's what's the same as in HTML Studio, and if they're the same, it says, hey, everything went okay. Bit of a double check. So let's program that. And we'll just drag our microcontroller back on the board here on the screen, and there's our LED flashing. That's cool. Now if we wanted to play around with this a little bit better, we might, let's have this. What do you think this will do? This will turn on the LED, it'll wait for 0.1 of a second, then it'll turn off the LED and wait for 1.5 seconds. So F7, everything built okay, Control Shift P for program, apply, memories, do a full program, erase, program, verify, program that. Let's get our webcam back, and there we go. It's giving a little flash every 1.5 seconds. Well, actually, to be accurate, if you look at the timing, it's a flash every 1.6 seconds. Cool. That's how you get programming